Hello everyone, my name is Manjunath, lecturing for physics subject. I will handle with first PU physics. The first unit is units and measurements. First concept is what is the physical quantity? What is the physics? The physics means what? It is a branch of science which deals with the study of living and non-living things is called physical it is called physics. The study of living and non-living things is called physics. And the first unit is the unit and measurements. It is a first concept is physical quantity. Physical quantity means the any measurable quantity is called physical quantity. What is the example? Scale, it is a measuring instrument. Scale is a measuring instrument. It is used to measure the length of the any objects. That is what is the unit of scale? It is a upper scale. The lower scale is measured in centimeter. The upper layer is used to measure the inches or millimeter. The scale is a measuring instrument. And that is mass. The unit of mass is kg. Kg. As a mass is a fundamental quantity. That is the best example is scale. The physical quantity means the any measurable quantity is called physical quantity. The best example is scale. Okay na? Next, physical quantity, it is classified into two different types. First one is fundamental quantity, and the second one is the derived quantity, derived quantity. First, what is the difference between fundamental and derived quantity? The fundamental quantity means it is also physical quantity. It is derived from the physical quantities. That is called fundamental. That is one more definition is the fundamental quantity means it is independently derived from physical quantity. Independently derived from the physical quantities is called fundamental quantities. The fundamental quantity means it is a physical quantity. It is independently derived. Is called fundamental quantity. That is there are examples of the fundamental quantities is mass. That is the mass, length, and time, current. These are the examples of fundamental quantity. There is physical quantities. This fundamental quantities is there is no direction of the in this physical quantities. Okay now. Next, second one is derived quantity. That is a derived quantity means it is also physical quantity. The derived quantity, it is also physical quantity. It is derived from the all fundamental quantities. All the physical quantities which can be derived in terms of fundamental quantities. It is called derived quantity. What is the example of derived quantity? That is the area, volume, acceleration, work done. These are the examples of derived quantities. That is the physical quantity is it is classified into two different types. One is fundamental quantity, second one is derived quantity. That is the independently derived quantities. The independently derived is called fundamental quantities. Examples mass, length, time. And derived quantity means it is all the physical quantities which can be expressed in terms of fundamental quantities. That is called derived quantity. It is called derived quantity. The examples of derived quantity is area, volume, acceleration, work done, force, momentum. These are the examples of derived quantities. Next, the system of units. Studying system of units. It is the system of units. It is a following. It is a measurement of fundamental quantities. It is classified into there are four different types of system of units. One is FES system. Second one is CGS system. CGS system. Third one is MKS system. MKS system. And that is fourth one is SI system. SI system. The system of units, it is classified into four different systems. One is FES system. Second one is CGS system. Third one is MKS system. Fourth one is SI system. FES system. What is the meaning of FES system? That is the F means that is the meaning of F means food, phone. P means phone. Second. That is the FES system. In this system, the units of, that is the unit of length. The unit of length is foot. The unit of mass is phone. The unit of time is second. The FES system is a system. It is derived from the length in foot, the mass in phone, time in second. That is called FES system. FES system. Next, second one is CGS system. The CGS system is, in this system, the units of, what is the units of length? The unit of length, the unit of mass, the unit of time. The unit of length, unit of mass, the unit of length is centimeter. The unit of mass is gram. The unit of time is second, as it is same. That is called CGS system. The CGS system is, it is a system. It is derived from the length in centimeter, mass in gram, time in second. That is called CGS system. That is called a CGS system. Next, MKS system. The MKS system is commonly used in our life. That is MK. That is the fundamental quantities: length, mass, and time. These are the three fundamental quantities. It is the length is, the unit of length is, that is the meter. The unit of length is meter. The unit of mass is kilogram, kg. Kg means kilogram. And the unit of time is second. The unit of time is second. It is derived from the MKS system. It is a MKS system is, it is a system. It is derived from the length in meter, mass in kg, time in second. That is called MKS system. MKS system. And the last one is SI system. It is a international system. International system in word. That is also called universal system. Universal system. These are the system of units. The system of units is, it is classified into four different types. One is FES system, CGS system, MKS system, SS system. Once again, the FES system is a system. It is derived from the length in foot, mass in phone, time in second. The second one is CGS system. The CGS system is, it is also system. It is derived from the length in centimeter, mass in gram, time in second. That is called CGS system. And the fourth one is MKS system. The MKS system is, it is also system. It is derived from the length in mass. The length in meter, the mass in kg, the time in second. That is called MKS system. And the last one is SI system. The SI system is it is a international system or universal system. This is the concept of system of units. Okay, now there are totally the list of the fundamental quantities. The list of the fundamental quantities. List of the fundamental quantities. That is a fundamental quantity means it is a independently derived. It is the independently derived. It is the physical quantities which are independently derived is called the fundamental quantity. That is, there are total 7 fundamental quantities. The total 7 fundamental quantity. That is, the first one is length. Second one is mass. second one is mass, third one is time, and fourth one is electric current, and fifth one is temperature, and sixth one is amount of substance, and the last one is that is a luminous intensity, These are the total 7 fundamental quantities. The fundamental quantities. It is independently derived quantities is called fundamental quantities. The total 7 fundamental quantities. First one is length, second one is mass, third one is orderly. It is written as length, mass, time, electric current, temperature, amount of substance, and luminous intensity. What is the symbols of these fundamental quantities? This is called fundamental quantities. And what is the symbols? The symbols of fundamental quantity. It is represented by the length in small l. It is represented by small l. Mass means that is a small m. Time means that is a small t. Symbols. Electric current means that is a capital I. And temperature means that is a capital T. And amount of substance, that is the small n. Luminous intensity, that is called capital L. These are the symbols of all fundamental quantities. The length in, that is a small l, and mass in small m, time in the time small t, the electric current is represented by capital I, that is temperature is denoted by capital T, the amount of substance is, that is a small n, the luminous intensity is capital L. Okay, now that is the name of the SI unit, the symbol, and SI unit. The SI unit of SI unit. It is a SI unit means it is the international system. The unit of length is meter. The unit of length is meter inverse. The unit of mass is kilogram. The unit of mass is kilogram. The unit of time is second. The unit of time is second. The unit of electric current is ampere. Ampere. Okay, now next fifth one is temperature. The unit of temperature is Kelvin or degree Celsius. The amount of substance, it is the beaker containing liquid. How to measure? It is a substance. Okay, now it is measured in, the substance is mole. MOLE, mole. And the intensity, luminous intensity, that is a candela. CANDELA, candela. These are the units of, that is SI units of all fundamental quantities. The unit of, it is the symbol is meter is, that is a symbol. What is the symbol of SI unit? The symbol of SI unit is, that is a meter, that is a small m. Kilogram, that is kg. Second, that is a s, small s. Ampere means that is a capital A. And Kelvin, that is capital K, small k. Mole, that is MOL, mole. And candela, CAD. This is the all 7 fundamental quantities. What is the symbol and what is the SI units? That is represented by symbols of the SI units. That is the total 7 fundamental quantities. The first one is length in, the unit of length in meter. The unit of mass is kg. The unit of time in second. The electric current in ampere. Temperature in Kelvin. The amount of substance is mole. The luminous intensity is, that is a candela. These are the total list of the 7 fundamental quantities. That is the fundamental quantity is it is a physical quantity. It is independently derived, is called fundamental quantity. Okay, thank you.